You know how some of those girls always have that super flawless finish to their makeup and you're like, I swear I'm using the same products, I'm doing the same thing. What is missing? This is what you're missing. There are 2 steps to the end of any makeup routine that gives it that flawless finish. First, you're gonna take a pressed powder. This one is my favorite. And a really big brush, like obnoxiously big brush. Just gonna make some circles, get some product on, tap off the excess. You see it coming out, there's a lot. And then we're just gonna make big circles. And just gonna kind of get it all over your face. Immediately, it looks better. If you really want that flawless airbrush finish, we're gonna do one more step. The first thing that you went in with was a pressed powder. Now you're gonna go in with a loose powder. This one's in the shade Honey, and you're just gonna grab 2 fingers. This powder puff is from Amazon. Obviously, I'll link everything for you guys. And then we're just gonna get some product on the edge of your brush. This is a lot, so I like to do this in 2 steps. The first one is placement, and the second one is to go all over. So in areas that I wanna brighten, like underneath my eyes, when there's a lot of product on here, I just like to kind of push it into my skin. It's almost like a soft baking. I also like to go down the side of my nose. And the last place I like to go is underneath that cheekbone. So make a little fishy face and go underneath that cheekbone. Now that there's product everywhere, but not too much, we're gonna push it into our skin. And this is that final step. It gives you that flawless airbrush finish, and this is the step that your makeup is missing. And that is your final look.